Okay, I got a call yesterday morning from my sister. She lives in West Sacramento and couldn't get a response from contractors. I told her to call Greg Fox at Fox Family H.V.A.C. And they came out today and did an awesome job for her. I think she signed up for Greg's program, and that's the way to do it, Greg. Thank you very much for taking care of my little sis. Good job, man. YouTube is amazing. Great resource. If you haven't been over to Greg's channel, go over to Greg's YouTube channel, Fox Family Heating and Air Conditioning. Like and subscribe over there. And then also like and subscribe right here at NorCal Refrigeration and HVAC.